Take control. Your money, your future. Tired of being broke? Do you dream of financial freedom? You're not alone. Millions struggle with money. But there's good news. You can take charge of your finances. It starts with a budget. Budgeting may sound scary, but it's not. It's simply a plan for your money. With a budget, you control your money. You decide where it goes. No more financial stress, no more living paycheck to paycheck. Take the first step towards a brighter future. Start budgeting today. Why budgeting matters. Stop living paycheck to paycheck. Imagine this, a life without money worries. No more panicking about bills, no more credit card debt. That's the power of budgeting. It's the key to financial peace of mind. Budgeting helps you reach your goals. Want to buy a house? Start a business? Retire early? A budget is your roadmap to success. It empowers you to make smart choices with your money. Stop living paycheck to paycheck, start budgeting and achieve your dreams. Budgeting Made Easy, a step-by-step guide. Budgeting doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, with the right approach, it can be quite straightforward and even empowering. Here's a simple guide to get you started. A step-by-step process that will help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. 1. Track your income and expenses. This is the foundation of any good budget. Write down all your income sources. This includes your salary, any freelance work, side gigs, or passive income streams. Then, track every penny you spend. This means keeping a record of all your expenses, no matter how small. 2. Create a realistic budget. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, it's time to create a budget that works for you. Allocate your income to different categories. These include housing, food, transportation, entertainment, and savings. Make sure to be realistic about your spending habits. 3. Identify areas to cut back. Look for expenses you can reduce or eliminate. Are there subscriptions you no longer use? Can you save money by cooking at home instead of dining out? Small changes can add up to significant savings over time. 4. Set financial goals. What do you want to achieve with your money? Setting clear financial goals gives you something to work towards and keeps you motivated. Are you saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, planning a vacation? Write down your goals and make a plan to achieve them. 5. Review and adjust. Your budget isn't set in stone. Life changes and so should your budget. Review it regularly to make sure it still aligns with your financial goals and adjust as needed. This might mean reallocating funds to different categories or finding new ways to save. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. It's about making continuous improvements and staying committed to your financial well-being. Start small, be consistent, and don't be afraid to make adjustments along the way. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and keep moving forward. With dedication and persistence, you can achieve your financial goals and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with financial stability. Track your spending. Know where your money goes. Tracking your expenses is crucial for successful budgeting. It helps you understand your spending habits. You can identify areas where you overspend and make necessary adjustments to your budget. There are several ways to track your spending. Use a notebook and pen, download a budgeting app, or use your bank's online banking platform. Choose the method that works best for you. The key is to be consistent. Track every expense no matter how small. Section 5. Saving strategies. Make your money work for you. In this section, we will explore various methods to ensure that your hard-earned money is working for you, rather than just sitting idle. By implementing these strategies, you can build a more secure financial future and achieve your dreams. Saving money is essential for financial security. It provides a safety net for unexpected expenses, such as medical emergencies or car repairs, and helps you avoid going into debt. Moreover, having savings allows you to take advantage of opportunities, like investing in a business or taking a dream vacation. It allows you to handle unexpected expenses and achieve your long-term financial goals. Whether it's buying a home, funding your children's education, or retiring comfortably, having a solid savings plan is crucial. Let's dive into some effective saving strategies that can help you reach these goals. Here are some effective saving strategies. Pay yourself first. This means setting aside a portion of your income for savings before you spend on anything else. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable expense, just like your rent or mortgage. Automate a fixed amount to be transferred to your savings account each month. By automating your savings, you ensure that you consistently save without having to think about it. This can be done easily through your bank's online services or mobile app. Cut down on unnecessary expenses. Review your monthly subscriptions and memberships. Are there any that you no longer use or can live without? Canceling these can free up money that can be redirected to your savings. Identify areas where you can reduce spending and redirect that money towards savings. Negotiate better rates. For example, you can call your service providers like your internet or mobile phone company and ask for a lower rate or look for more affordable alternatives. Contact your service providers like internet and mobile phone companies to see if you can get a lower rate. Shop smart. When making purchases, always look for deals, coupons, and discounts. This can significantly reduce your expenses and increase your savings. Look for deals, coupons, and discounts to save money on your purchases. Set savings goals. Having specific savings goals will motivate you to save more. Whether it's a new car, a vacation, or an emergency fund, knowing what you're saving for can keep you focused and disciplined. Having specific savings goals will motivate you to save more. Write down your goals and track your progress regularly. This will help you stay on track and make adjustments as needed. Remember, every little bit counts. Even small amounts of money saved consistently can grow over time. Don't underestimate the power of compound interest, which can significantly boost your savings. Even small, consistent savings can add up to significant amounts over time. By following these strategies, you can make your money work for you and build a secure financial future. Start today and watch your savings grow. Section 6. Real-life budgeting examples you can use. Let's look at some real-life budgeting examples. These examples can help you understand how to manage your finances effectively and make informed decisions about your spending and saving habits. The 50/30/20 budget. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This method is simple and helps you prioritize your essential expenses while still allowing room for discretionary spending and future savings. The envelope system. Divide your cash into different envelopes for various budget categories. This method is particularly useful for those who prefer using cash and want a tangible way to control their spending. By physically seeing the money allocated for each category, you can better manage your finances and avoid overspending. Once an envelope is empty, you've reached your spending limit for that category. This visual cue helps you stay within your budget and prevents you from dipping into funds meant for other purposes. Zero-based budgeting. Assign every dollar of your income a specific purpose. This method ensures that you account for every dollar you earn, leaving no room for unplanned expenses. By giving each dollar a job, you can better track your spending and make sure your money is working for you. Your income minus your expenses should equal zero. This approach helps you maximize your financial efficiency and ensures that all your income is allocated towards your financial goals, whether it's paying off debt, saving for the future, or covering your daily expenses. These are just a few examples. There are many other budgeting methods out there, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. The key is to find a system that works for you and stick with it. Choose the budgeting method that aligns best with your lifestyle and financial goals. Remember, the best budget is one that you can maintain consistently and that helps you achieve your financial objectives. Experiment with different methods and adjust as needed to find the perfect fit for your unique situation. Section 7. Budgeting tools and resources, technology to the rescue. Technology has made budgeting easier than ever. Numerous apps and websites can help you manage your finances effectively. Some popular budgeting apps include Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Personal Capital. These apps connect to your bank accounts and credit cards. They automatically track your income and expenses. They provide personalized insights and recommendations. Explore these tools and resources to simplify your budgeting journey. Section 8. Overcoming budgeting challenges. You can do it. Budgeting isn't always easy. You might face challenges along the way. The key is to stay motivated and persistent. One common challenge is impulse spending. Avoid this by planning your purchases in advance. Another challenge is sticking to your budget when unexpected expenses arise. Build an emergency fund to cover these costs. Remember, budgeting is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be setbacks, but don't give up. Section 9. Take charge today. Secure your financial freedom. Taking control of your finances is empowering. Budgeting is the key to financial freedom. It allows you to achieve your dreams. It provides peace of mind. It secures your future. Start your budgeting journey today. Take small steps. Be consistent. Celebrate your progress. You've got this. Remember, you are in control of your financial destiny.